Hey there, this is Lee of Lee Launches back with another video, and in this video I want to share how to brand an Etsy shop from scratch. I'm going to be looking at the branding of some successful Etsy shops and also sharing ideas for my own store, the store that I am creating from scratch. I'm also going to be sharing a free template for you to download and an Etsy store branding checklist for you to use. This is the third in a series of videos where I'm creating an Etsy store completely from scratch. This video is an update of my progress so far of creating my store. So if you've not seen the last video, there's a link above to the previous video in the series. In that video, I show you how I'm doing my Etsy research to identify which products I should be selling, which digital products I want to sell. So if you're new here, then my name is Lee and I like to create videos like this on how to create digital assets to sell online. So make sure you click subscribe and click the bell icon above to get notified every time I create a new video just like this. So without further delay, let's get into the video. How to brand an Etsy shop from scratch. Before I could get to work on branding my own store and creating new products, I decided to spend some time looking at the branding of many successful Etsy stores. What I found is that many of these stores are using the same branding elements. These elements go beyond making the store look pretty. So what are the branding elements that these successful stores use? Well, the first is the store logo will often be displayed in the profile image and the header image. Also, the header image and profile image will have its own specific color palette. The store header also includes the brand slogan describing the main purpose of the store and the problem the store solves. The header image will also include an incentive to buy from the store, for example, a store discount. The image will also feature some of the store items. So the other branding elements to do with the shop items themselves. The shop item will often have a cover image that matches with the store header, image and logo. The item will have a cover graphic with images that display what is included within the item. The cover image will have a text that highlights the item's main features. And then when you click into the item, there are more images that showcase what the item looks like and how it works. There's also often a video within the item, which is a new feature with Etsy. Finally, image items include a summarized explanation of how the item works so that customers know what they are getting. So now that we've looked at the important elements that successful Etsy stores include in their branding, let's look at what I'm doing to implement these when creating a brand for my own Etsy store. So my Etsy store is going to be called Launch Kits. I'm going to be selling easy to use kits for anyone to use in their business. So the kind of kits I plan on selling will include social media kits, branding kits, ebooks, lead magnets and checklists. So far I've created a store header image and store logo image. This is what these look like with the Launch Kit logo. At the moment it's very simplistic. I created these using the Etsy cover image and logo size templates provided by Canva. I have my own store slogan which describes the purpose of my store. I plan to add some of my store items to the header image in the future when I have a few more items. And this is my store colour palette, which I'll use throughout the branding of my Etsy store. Canva do not currently have a template for creating shop items, so I've created my own. So this is going to go on each of my shop items. So obviously it will change depending on what the item is, but each of these are customizable. So let me just quickly show you. If I get an image, you can just drag an image over and change any of these. So I'm going to be using this for every item or every YouTube kit that I create, and then we'll probably adapt it as I create other Canva templates. So this is how I'm branding my store. I hope to have more items in my shop to show you in my next video. Make sure you hit subscribe and hit the bell notification if you have not done so already, as I'm going to be making more videos like this as I'm going through the process of making my own Etsy store brand from scratch. There's also a link in the description if you want to get access to my Etsy shop branding template completely for free. You can download that and customize that for your own shop. You'll also get access to my Etsy branding checklist that I've put together with all the points that I've discussed in this video. So make sure you get that. And I'll see you in a future video. Cheers.